In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Instagram or Facebook comment trigger with an automatic reply and DM flow. To begin, open the automation section of your platform and create a new trigger. This is where you tell the system what action should start the automation. In this case, the action you want to use is the Instagram or Facebook comment trigger. Choosing the correct trigger is important because it ensures the automation reacts specifically when someone leaves a comment on your content. Once you've selected the comment trigger, the next step is to decide where this automation should apply. You'll typically have the option to use it on a specific post or on all posts. If you choose a specific post, the automation will only work on that one piece of content. This is useful if you're running a promotion, offering a lead magnet, or testing a campaign tied to a single post. If you choose all posts, the trigger becomes more broad and will work across your content, which can save time if you want a consistent response strategy everywhere. After that, add the keywords that should activate the reply. These are the words or phrases people need to include in their comment for the automation to run. Keep your keywords simple and easy to remember so your audience can use them without confusion. It's also a good idea to think about variations people might naturally type, especially if you want to improve the chances of the trigger catching the right comments. Next, write the auto comment response. This is the public reply that appears under the person's comment. Make it clear, friendly, and relevant to what they requested. A good auto comment lets the user know that their comment was received and that the next step is on the way. Since this response is public, keep it concise and professional while still sounding natural. Then attach an automated DM flow that will be sent to the commenter. This direct message is where you can continue the conversation in a more personal and useful way. The DM flow can deliver the information, resource, or follow-up experience connected to the original comment. Before publishing, review the full sequence so the public comment and the direct message feel connected and consistent. Once everything is set up, test the experience to make sure the trigger works correctly, the keywords are recognized, the auto comment posts properly, and the DM flow is sent as expected. Taking a moment to check the journey from start to finish helps you avoid confusion for your audience and ensures your automation runs smoothly.